welcome welcome all of you. So today let us start with homework. Okay, I am giving you homework and you have to reply me. So September FNO series expired today. 24th was the expiry day. Now new series October FNO will start from 25th September. So it is a long series. How long? Because it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. There are 5 weeks in this FNO expiry. So it is a long series compared with other months. I mean, so your first homework is you have to find months, previous months, which are having 5 weekly expiries, that is 5 weeks in expiry. So let us start randomly, just for learning purpose. Let us start with January. January, yeah, there are 5 weekly expiries are there, that is 2, 9, 16, 23 and 30. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what you have to do is you have to go to Google. Okay, in Google search Nifty historical data, and in results go to NSE site, historical index data, NSE, National Stock Exchange of India, that is NSE site. Okay, so open it and in search, what was the date? That is the first day of January expiry begins on 27th. Okay, 27th December 2019. So time period from 2020 we will change to 2019. September, instead of September we will do January, and in January sorry in we will December, and in December 27th December 2019 was the first trading day of January FNO expiry up to this January, and the expiry was on 30th January. Okay, and then fetch data, that is get data. So the data is uploaded. See, you can easily see 27 December 2019 was the first day of January FNO beginning, and it is of 5 weeks. So it is till 30th January. Now what you have to do is go through this open, high, low, close and close. Okay, find out what was the closing. It was in minus or it was in plus, and how many days. So open was 12,172 on 27 December, and the close was of 12,245. So it was in plus, that is 12,245 minus 12,172. It will be approximately 45 plus 28 rupees. So 73, around 73 plus points it was close. So note it down that way and continue and find all days till 30 January 2020 and note it down and find similarities. What were the similarities here in this month? Okay, and note it down. Similarly, you can check other months also. January was one of the month, then in February no, in March also no, in April yes, there were 5 weeks. It was of 5 weeks expiry, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30. Okay, so again you can go in NSC website and find for April in historic data. Then in May it was short, in June it was short, but in July yes, there is 5 weeks expiry, that is 2, 9, 16, 23, 30. So again similarly you can go to NSC website and find out for July month also and note it down. See, it will get loaded. I was already searching, so instead of December it is July and it is 2022. It is July, sorry, here I have to change the year. 2020, it is June and 26 was the starting day of the expiry to July month 2020 and the expiry was on 30th July. Fetch data and you can again do the same thing, open, close, difference, close difference, okay, and note it down. So this you have to do and find out the similarities. In July also you will find, so January, April, July, 3 months you can find out the difference. August, September, and now October, 1, 8, 15, 22, 29. So this is 5 week and last 3 months, that were January, April and July. So January, April, July, find out the open, close, difference, plus or minus, whatever it is, close difference, note it down, and other similarities, note it down and figure out what common thing you have find out in that. What is the most common things you are identifying, you are able to see, you are able to find. Okay, and just email me on the desianalyst@gmail.com. This is your homework and you have to do it. So after that I will explain what is there in it to study and to learn. I am waiting for your emails, and those who want, they can inbox me on Twitter @the_Desi_Analyst. Okay. Hope to see many replies, and until that, see you next time. Bye bye.